Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? It's the perfect name for these bright pink birds. Flamingos get their stunning color from their diet, which includes algae and shrimp rich in pigments called carotenoids. These pigments turn their feathers, skin, and beaks pink. Flamingos love to be in large groups, sometimes numbering in the thousands. Being in a big group helps them stay safe from predators and find food more easily. They perform beautiful, synchronized movements, especially during their mating rituals. Flamingos are filter feeders, meaning they scoop up water with their beaks and filter out tiny organisms to eat. Another cool thing about flamingos is that they often stand on one leg. Scientists think they do this to save energy and keep warm, tucking the other leg up into their body.